How to use NeWisdom foaming soap dispenser correctly. Let us get to know it. Bubble outlet. Infrared sensing. Smiley face flashes when dispensing. Soap container. Battery compartment. Switch. How to use NeWisdom soap dispenser. When you get the soap dispenser, separate the soap container first. Unscrew the lid. Pay attention to the straw. Do not let it come loose. What kind of soap should I use? Foaming hand soap. Strongly recommended. Choose both marked foaming hand soap or foaming hand wash on the package when purchased. Add directly, no need dilute water. Screw tightly. Push it up. Do press the bottom tightly to fix the container. Install 3 pieces AA batteries correctly. Make sure the anode and cathode of the battery are not inverted. Press the switch. The smiley face flashes. Press 3 seconds for adjustable. Hands-free. Sensing distance recommended 5 to 7 cm. Do not put your hands too close to the bubble outlet when dispenser, otherwise the bubble will block the sensor port. It will stop working, cannot sensing. Do swipe off the bubbles by hand. No bubbles covered now. Works well. Turn it off. The red smiley face flashes. Regular liquid hand soap. Not recommended. Foaming hand soap flow well, like water. Regular liquid hand soap is a little thick. Not recommended. If you happen to have regular liquid hand soap and do not want to change to other brand, you can have a try by diluting water.We. If failed, do not hesitate to purchase foaming hand soap. Make sure the lid is tight and no air is allowed in. Dilute with water.We. Unscrew the lid. Do shake it well, or it will not foam. Push it up. Do press the bottom tightly to fix the container. Press the switch. The smiley face flashes. Bubbles coming out. Enjoy hand washing. Gel not support. Alcohol not support. Strongly recommended foaming hand soap.